Hi everyone, today we are making a palazzo pant. Let's start with the template first. For this I have taken a A4 size paper, okay, and these measurements that I'm going to use, I'm not going to follow these measurements on the scale. I'll show you how to mark the measurements on the material, okay. So firstly, to start with, the total ready length of the pant is going to be 37 inches. For the 37-inch length, I'm going to take a material length of 40 inches. So I'm going to draw a straight line here to start with. Okay. Out of the 40 inches, first 2 inches are going to be for the elastic folding on top, and 1 inch at the lower bottom for the, if you're not using an embroidered material, so you're going to have this 1 inch over your fold. Firstly, I've taken the waist to be 42 inches. So I'm going to add another 6 inches to it, which makes it 48 inches. I'm going to divide the 48 inches into 4 equal parts. So that makes it 12 inches. And at 12 inches, I'm going to mark here. Similarly, for the lower part, I'm going to take 12 inches and another extra 1.5 inch. So that makes it around 13.5 inches. Again, at 13.5, I'm going to mark and join the straight line. Similarly, I'm going to add an extra 1.5 inch over here and join this line this way. Right at the center of this line, I'm going to mark again a point, and from that point straight going downwards to be a straight line. For the lower bottom part of the pant, total width I've taken is 8 inches with the allowance. So I'm going to mark 4 inches this side and 4 inches this side. Okay. Now from this part there goes a small arc, and now from this point till here I'm going to make a dotted line because I have to do the cutting and join this line. Similarly, I'm going to join this part, lower bottom, to this point over here. Okay, that's it.